Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I'm going to type here 1F4 1B. Okay, type like this, 1F4 1B, and after that I'm going to press these two keys, this Alt key and this is the S key. I'm going to press these two keys at the same time. So you remember, one of your fingers should be in this Alt key, and at the same time you must press this key also. So after typing this 1F4 1B, if you type these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the back this emoji we have created in our computer using this method. So hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.